This lesson is about the verbs go, do, and have. Go, do, and have are three verbs we use a lot. You hear them in sentences like, I go to work at 9. They always do their homework. And have a nice day. Go, do, and have. This is the verb chart for have. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. We have, you have, they have. You can see there are only two forms, have and has. Notice there is an S on the end of the third person singular form. There's always an S in this area. But have is an irregular form. You might want to write haves. This is incorrect. The verb is has for third person singular. Let's look at some examples. Kim has 2 cats. One cat has long hair. The other cat has short hair. Both cats have pretty eyes. Notice the verb have in its two forms, has, and both cats have. There are many uses of the verb have. She has a baby brother. He has a question. He has breakfast at 7. He has fun in the leaves. Okay, here's the verb chart for do. I do, you do. He does. Notice the pronunciation does, not do's. She does, it does. We do, you do, they do. There are two forms of do in the simple present, do and does. And again, these all end with an S because third person singular always has an S. Do is also an irregular verb, so it ends with ES. The spelling's a little different than a regular verb. Let's look at do in some sentences. There are many uses of the word do. She does yoga in the morning. She does homework after school. He does dishes after dinner. She does laundry every day. Okay, and go. Here is the verb chart for go. It's the same pattern. I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, and it's spelled with an ES. We go, you go, they go. Again, we've got two forms, go and goes, and again, these all end with an S, because there's always an S for third person singular in the simple present. Okay, let's look at some examples. They go to school. He goes to work. She goes to the store. The family goes for a walk. Here are some frequency words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. These tell how often something happens. Always, 100% of the time. Usually, a lot of the time. Often, almost the same as usually. Sometimes, a little less. Rarely, doesn't happen often, almost never. And never is 0% of the time. Let's look at how we use these with the simple present. Put frequency words before the verb. Let's look at some examples. Here is a timeline. Sarah goes to the gym. Put the frequency words here before the verb to tell how often she goes to the gym. For example, Sarah always goes to the gym. Sarah usually goes to the gym. Sarah often goes to the gym. Sarah sometimes goes to the gym. Sarah rarely goes to the gym. And Sarah never goes to the gym. We use frequency words a lot in the simple present. She always goes to the store on Mondays. He often goes to work at 8 a.m. They never go to school on Saturday. Okay, you try. Put the sentence in the correct order. You have the words goes, to the library, Megan, and often. Think. Megan often goes to the library. The frequency word goes before the verb. Okay, let's do it again. Put the sentence in the correct order. Goes on Sunday. Bob usually to church. Okay, ready? Bob usually goes to church on Sunday. Okay, one more. Put the sentence in the correct order. Okay? They never go to work on Saturday. They never go to work on Saturday. Have, do, and go are verbs. They're very common. They all have two forms in the simple present. Have, has, do, does, go, goes. We often use them with frequency words, like always, sometimes, and never. End.